Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on the course Unity 3D. In this lecture, let us understand about 2D and 3D environment. 2D stands for two dimension and 3D stands for three dimension. Let's start with 2D space. You all know whenever we are seeing with our eyes, we will be viewing into a 3D environment. But once it comes to a computer on the screen, on the computer screen, it will be a 2D object. Always the computer screen is divided into horizontal lines and vertical lines. So horizontal values will be represented as x value and vertical values are represented by y value. Always remember the top left point is represented as 0, 0. Unlike your mathematics graphical representation, in the computer screen representation, the top left corner will be represented with 0, 0. The highlighted point is called as a pixel. So pixel is nothing but one of the small dot or squares on the computer screen. Now, whenever you want to represent any pixel on the screen, suppose here, if you want to represent this pixel, you need to have first the x value, which is your horizontal values. For this pixel, the x value is 6 and y value, which is coming from top to down. And for this pixel, the y value is 13. Always remember the x values will come from left to right and the y values will come from top to bottom because I already mentioned you the top left corner will be 0 0. Generally, pixel is nothing but it is abbreviated as picture element. Now with this information we can define what is pixel. Pixel in 2D space it is nothing but an intersection point of x and y values. So this pixel can be represented as 6, 13. 6 represents the x value, 13 represents the y value. Now, with one pixel, with one point of x and y, we represent a one pixel. But if we have two pixels, now with two pixels, we can form a line. Different computer graphics algorithms are there to draw a line between two pixels. So if you are interested in learning the computer graphics course, complete course is there in my channel. You can go and learn. Now with 2 pixels, you are going to draw a line. With 3 pixels, you can form a triangle. I hope you all are clear with the 2D space. So in 2D space, you will have x and y values. But in reality, we have a 3D space which contains a left to right traversal of values which is called as x, top to bottom traversal of values which is called as y, and one more dimension has been added in 3D space which is in and out that has been represented as z. So in 3D space a pixel can be defined as an intersection point of x, y and z values. Now how the objects are represented? Always we all know we have pixels which contains xyz or in 3D space or xy values in 2D space. Now we have pixels which are called as vertices. Now these vertices are connected together to form edges. Now we can connect these edges to form polygons. Now these polygons represents 2D images. Now, if you want to create a 3D object, these polygons need to be connected together to form surfaces which is nothing but 3D. Always remember, all the 3D objects in our Unity 3D will be created by using polygons only, which are called objects. So you can see a sample here, a small example. The complete object, the complete image has been designed by connecting multiple polygons. So all the 3D images, 3D objects in any three-dimensional 3D graphics will be created by connecting different polygons which are called as polygon mesh, which is creating a polygon mesh. I hope you all are clear now what is 2D representation and 3D representation, and how they will be creating the polygons and how they will be creating the objects. Still, if you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. I am very happy to help you. Let us all meet in the next lecture. Until then, thank you.